Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a special one for you, not only because I'm actually on screen, which is the weirdest thing because I haven't actually filmed like an in-person video since Christmas Day, which was like almost a month ago, which is crazy to me. So it feels really weird to be kind of like back behind the camera. But basically this morning I had this package arrive from Sillysquishies. It was just left out in my garden from Royal Mail, and I got home and I was like, what is that in my garden? So I've been in contact with them a few weeks ago about sending me out a few packages, which I've been so excited for. I wasn't expecting one today, but today it's turned up. Now it does sound really like rickety in there, so there's definitely some boxes, so I'm just going to open it up and see what's inside and share it with you guys today. So I've just opened the box because it does have my address on in like the hugest text ever, and this is what's inside. It is just a box full of Silly Poos. I do already have a couple of these, but I don't have this many, and I'm so excited to open it for you. So I'm just going to open them all up, every single one on camera now, so that you get a good view and a good squishing view also. So I've just switched down to this angle so hopefully you can see it a little bit better, but these are obviously the boxes. I'm sure you've seen these so many times before. I've definitely featured them on my channel before, and these are all of the little guys on here. I do have Nerdy and I also have Mint and Chip. I love the waffle one. I've loved that ever since I've first seen it. I just love waffles so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and open them one by one, giving each squishy inside a little squish so that you can obviously see it in action, because that's what we're all here for. Well, that's why I go to squishy packages, because I like to watch them being squished. The first one we have is a pink one. Oh my goodness, who is it? Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so adorable. So this is Princess. Look at her. She definitely is a princess. Let's give her a squish with my thumb. As always, really nice and slow rising. Sillysquishies is definitely one of my favourite textures of squishies. I say this quite often. They're nice and light and airy and really kind of soft, and it's something that I really, really like. So here is Princess. She is just beautiful. I love this colour pink. It's got like, reminds me of a few jumpers that I actually have like in this exact colour. Love it. Oh my goodness, the toilet roll! I think this is such a fabulous idea to put in there. So this is the toilet paper. Look at that. That's so funny to include that with poos. I love it so much. I love the little heart eyes as well. They are so cute. It has got a lot of pink on it. I don't know if it's supposed to, or has that come from the box, but this is so sweet. I love it. Okay. The burger one! I'm wondering now if they've actually like sent me the whole collection. That would be amazing if they have, because I would love that waffle one. Oh, this one here is so cute as well. What does it smell like? Ooh. I have no idea what that smells like, but it smells incredible. Oh, these ones. They all smell different. This one here just smells lush. Oh, I don't know the scent of that one. Oh, I'm so bad with scents, but it smells delicious. Just smelling the little poop. So the next one, oh, they must have sent me the whole thing, because there's no way that I would have had 4 different ones in a row by now. I always get duplicates of absolutely everything. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This one here is Cupcake. I think she looks like a little cheesecake or something, but super adorable. I love all these sprinkles on there. Look at that. Isn't that great? Look at it. It actually looks really tasty. Like, this bit actually looks like chocolate. Maybe I shouldn't say that about little poops, but she does, and she looks beautiful, and I love her. Next up we have, hold on, who's it gonna be? The latte one, mocha latte. This looks so cheeky. Oh, that one smells just as good. Okay, let's go. Oh, they all squish pretty much exactly the same. I don't know why I'm squishing all of them, but that's what the fun of squishy packaged videos is to me. I just love it. I love opening and squishing squishy packages. I love watching them. So there's that one. It's Galaxy Poop. I once had a Galaxy Poop that I did in a Squishies dare, and like I had to put it in a bowl of water, and basically what happened was the poop froze, it absorbed the water, then it froze, and then it split open. Like it completely split apart. I'm so happy to have a Galaxy Poop back in my life. Oh, smells delightful, and I absolutely love this design. Also, I think this one here might be my favourite up the burger so far. This is so beautiful. Just look at this. Also, with Silly Squishies, I like the fact that they have like the raised kind of logos on them. I don't know why, I've always liked it. I think it makes it look a bit more kind of, a bit more fancy almost, like that's not going to rub off, and it just, oh, so beautiful. Next, okay, I'm going to take a guess because these are all different so far. I'm going to guess the Ballerina. Come on, the Ballerina. Oh my god, oh my goodness. I was like, oh my goodness, I thought it was the Ballerina, and it actually is. Honestly, I did not have that planned, but this is a new guessing game that we've got going on now. Here's the Ballerina. This one is adorable. Oh my goodness, I have someone who will love this. My niece is going to love this. I'm going to give this to her. She honestly will adore it. Look at that. Oh, isn't that so beautiful? Have you ever seen something that's so beautiful in all your life? I love her little skirt and her little heart blush. Heart blush is actually adorable. I will definitely use that on a DIY squishy coming up. But look at this. So cute. Okay, wait. Who are we going to guess? Emoji. Oh my goodness. The emoji. Even the emoji finds that funny. How did I get that? What? That was a complete and utter guess. Wait a second. This one here just felt a little bit lighter than the last one. Maybe it's just because it hasn't got as much foam on, but oh my goodness, that's so funny. Like my face looks like the emoji right now because I just got that right again. Oh my goodness. Oh, this feels really, really nice actually. Yeah, this one here is a little bit less dense than the others. Look at that though. So slow, so beautiful. So weird that I'm calling poops beautiful. I didn't guess who it was. Oh well. This one here is s'mores. That actually does look like s'mores. Look at his little face. Oh, I'm having so much fun. This is great. I love the texture on the biscuit as well. Like all these little dots. That's so clever. Oh, it smells delightful. Oh, that one does smell very nice. Is that one similar to the burger? Oh no, the burger's way stronger. That one there isn't as strong as the burger scent, but it's still very, very nice. And again, the same slow risiness. Let's open up another one. I'm having so much fun. This is like the best thing that's ever happened to me. Got today? Who we got today? Who we got today? We've got, ooh, bubblegum. This one's eyes are really funny. They kind of remind me of like Lazy Oaf. Like, you know, Lazy Oaf always has those eyes. Always looks fantastic too. The colours are beautiful. I love pink and blue together. By far my favourite colour combination. I know a lot of people prefer pink and mint, but I quite like pink and blue together. I think it looks real cute. And I love this one. It just reminds me of Lazy Oaf. I love Lazy Oaf so much too. Okay, right. Guesses. Waffle. Come on, waffle. Oh, it's not the waffle, but it is something even cuter. Wow, these colours are stunning together. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pink, there's a purple, and there's blue. On my viewfinder, it's looking like the pink and purple look like the same colour. So hopefully, if it focuses. Yeah, if I just cover it up like that, you can see where the pink is. This is so beautiful. I haven't had a single one so far that I don't like. This one feels a little bit wet. How strange. Look at that. It's got little love hearts. It's blowing a little kiss. This is so sweet. So hard to like squish at this angle because you have to like come up like that, like the claw or something. Because like usually I squish like that, but when I squish like that, I can't really get there because of the table, and I can't really go up there because of the camera. But love this. Mint chocolate chip. Mint choc chip. Look at this. The waffle texture on that is so good. Can you see? Probably can't see because, again, it's really slow, but look at that. It's got like a little waffle wraparound with all the texture, all the mint choc chip you could ever want on it. Again, this one's a little bit sticky as well. How weird is that? Well, it smells like mint though, which is really good. Oh, it's just like sticky around where its face is stuck on. How strange. I don't know. Oh, that one there like blew up a little bit. Oh, but look at that. Nice and slow, nice and slow. I'll leave that one rise while I go get some more. Okay, so now we only have 3 left. So obviously we need nerdy, unicorn, and waffle. So I'm guessing this one's gonna be waffle. I just feel like all of them are gonna be waffle, but I really want the waffle one. So I'm gonna guess that this one is gonna be a waffle. Come on. Come on, waffle. It is! Oh wow, I should really be a psychic. Look at that. That is so cool. I didn't even realise it had like this little butter bit at the top. Oh my goodness. And it's like waffle texture all the way through. I thought like the waffle was going to kind of be like painted on, but after seeing like the waffle on this one, look at that. I'm going to kind of give you a little close up of that one as well, because you need to see this texture. Look. Oh my goodness. It smells like pancakes and syrup and just everything good in the world. What? This smells incredible. This has not disappointed. This is the best thing I've ever had. Honestly, this is the best one out of the lot. I love it. I'm so happy I have this. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's the waffle poop. It's the waffle poop. It's the waffle poop. We love the waffle poop. Here's the unicorn one. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. Oh, look at these together. Oh, such an aesthetic, isn't it? I'm gonna post a picture like that on my Instagram later. You just wait and see. But look at that. It's like the galaxy one, only prettier because it's got this mint colouring and a horn. Let's give it a squish. Stop talking, Chelsea. Give it a squish. Oh my goodness. The scent is really fresh, almost like lemon. Is it lemon? I don't know. I'm so bad with scents. But look at this. Oh, she is so cute. I feel so excited. So this last one must be nerdy. I'm almost certain it's gonna be her. Come on, babe. Get out your box. Ah, there she is. The only brown poop. And it was the very last one. She is so cute. This looks like me when I was like 15 with my braces and my glasses and my hair bows. This is exactly what I look like actually. A little poop with glasses, braces and a bow. That was me. And this is how she squishes. She feels the exact same texture as this one. It doesn't have a lot of paint on, so they feel slightly more airy than the others. These two do feel very, very similar, just slightly different to the rest. Slightly less dense and more kind of airy. Look at that. This is so perfect. I just love Silly Squishies so much. Honestly, I've never had a problem with Silly Squishies. A few other major brands I have had problems with, and I haven't had anyone come to me like from the squishy community and tell me like in secret problems that they've had with Silly Squishies, which is just fantastic because, you know, there's always something that could go wrong and yeah, you never know. Look at all these poops. Let's just bring them all here. We've got one of each. This is so exciting. Thank you so much to Silly Squishies for sending me this. I feel so grateful to receive a box of poops. I feel so grateful. Look at this. I'm just trying to get them all in shot. Let's do one big squish. Squishing party! Have a race. This could be a game. I just love it so much. I get so much fun out of this. So I just want to say a huge thank you to Silly Squishies for just giving me this box. Honestly, I feel so overwhelmed today. Like, this has just made my day and week, not gonna lie. I absolutely love every single little poop, but this little waffle one is my, oh my goodness, I gotta smell it from here. it just smells like syrup. It just smells so good. But yeah, like I said, this little waffle one is just my favourite. Not only because I love waffles more than life, it's just so beautiful, so well textured, it smells so good. I love all the other designs. My second and third favourite have to be this unicorn because the colours are beautiful, and the burger because I love burgers. But yeah, let me know down in the comments which one is your favourite, whether or not you have any of these poops or even the full collection, because you never know. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you the day after next for another one. Bye!